Good evening guys, so it's just a quick video. Just wanted to break down a 1% loss on Euro Yen. This was taken actually the week before last when I was away. I've just had quite a bit going on, so I haven't had a chance just to really review this. So I wanted to just post a video up just explaining why I entered that trade. So as you may know already, really there's strategies that I have that I need of multiple confluences, so 3 or more really for me to enter a trade. So the first confluence was here, so this is where the entry was, as you can see here. Price, I was expecting price to come down to the daily 50 EMA, this sort of level of 120, so price to come down to here. So where price, on the overall picture, I'll expect it just to move down. And then as we move on, the 4 hour, this was at the point, so you can see that we had two tweezer tops. You can see we did have some sort of resistance here as well, and then of course this downward sloping trend line, which would have been 3 touches, where you can see it sort of rejected. Obviously the negatives are here that the 4 hour 50 EMA is really respected, and if you backtest Euro Yen, you'll see that the 4 hour 50 EMA, there's multiple touches. If you're not using the 50 EMA on yen pairs, then I think you're missing a trick personally. On the 1 hour, it's a tiny bit clearer, so you can see obviously you've got the downward sloping trend line again. And then my entry was just here, and it was actually on the 5-minute chart I entered, and it was on a 5-minute 50 EMA break. I mean, in hindsight, should have really waited for the 1 hour 50 to be broken, but then you're not getting the risk to reward. I mean, this here, targeting the lows, so you can see here's a good point to target. I mean, even though I did think price was getting down to here, I just would not stretch it the full way. I'd rather just take the profit and go. So it was 2.5% move, which yeah, it would have been a nice position. Stop placed way above the highs, so above this stop, where the wick sort of tested. And then if I show you on the 5-minute where I entered, which was here when the momentum started kicking in. So just here, literally at the bottom of this candle. So when the momentum kicked in, that was my reason for entering. Sometimes I enter on a 5-minute EMA break, but reason why I entered here really was just simply, I normally get up about sort of 5:30, and where price, you can see it's just sort of ranging here. So when the momentum kicked in, we just entered at the close of that candle with a nice 25 pip stop. So it's a lot of breathing room really. When you look on the volume as well, so if you click volume, you can see, if we zoom out, you can see on yen pairs as well. If you haven't already, it's interesting just to look where the volume is, so you can see where people are buying and where people are selling. It's a very useful tool in TradingView. Really recommend it.